Las Vegas, bright lights, loud energy, and endless surprises. We kicked off our trip at the Tropicana Hotel, part of Hilton's collection. For breakfast, we headed down to Robert Irvine's public house.
I had the eggs and potatoes, and I'm still thinking about that crispy edge. Definitely a good way to start the day.
Explain to me what this is.
This is Omega Mart. It's very popular here. I can buy corn.
I wonder if they sell socks. This next stop, Omega Mart, was like stepping into a sci-fi fever dream. On the outside, it looks like a quirky grocery store. Maybe we should do it all together at once.
But once you walk through the fridge door, everything changes.
It's part escape room, part art museum, part what did I just see. Highly recommended if you're into things that mess with your brain in the best way. Communicating. Oh, go ahead. We're behind dreams.
After that wild ride, we chilled out. Well, kind of, at the Illuminarium. We went to their space experience, and it really felt like we were floating through the universe. That night was at Bubba Gump Shrimp Co, which is always a fun time. The food, classic. The Forrest Gump quotes, endless.
Hey, baby. Hey. No way that you'll leave. All right, we are headed to Red Rock. Sign up here.
I'll ease low. Lord, you got the answers that we don't know. So I won't go by what I see with my eyes.
Back in the city, we explored this luxury mall with an indoor canal and gondolas, kind of like Venice, if Venice had air conditioning and Gucci.
Then we made our way to Tao Beach, an indoor beach club where, fun fact, they made me change my pants just to get in.
Yeah, that was hilarious, but once we were in, it was a vibe.
We also went to go see the Hoover Dam. Built during the Great Depression, this place is one of the greatest engineering feats in American history. Vegas isn't just about gambling and neon lights. It's food, art, history, space, and even a little wardrobe malfunction.
No matter where we go, it's always better when we're exploring side by side.
Thanks for coming along with us on this Vegas adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see where we're headed next.